Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear distinguished panel judges and dear viewers, we'd like to present our study. The title of our work is The Direction of the City Gas as Clean Energy in Indonesia, with the workforce as the moderator. We are the authors. The first one is Andry Prima, myself, and Hafid Pramadika, both of us from the Petroleum Engineering Department of the Faculty of Technology and Energy, Universitas Trisakti. And then Wiwi Dahani, she is from the Mining Engineering, the same faculty, also from Universitas Trisakti. Next, Professor Astri Rinanti is from Environmental Engineering, the Faculty of Landscape Architecture and Environmental Technology of Universitas Trisakti. And the last one is Prana Ugiano Gio from Mathematics Department, FMIPA, Universitas Sumatera Utara, Indonesia. Let us start out with the contents of our presentations. First one being introduction. Second one is research methodology. And then results and discussion. And the last one is the conclusion. As the introduction, there are three folds as far as the points are concerned. First of all, this study provided a comprehensive description on the impact of certain variables contributing to the reduction of the city gas pipe connections. Moreover, city gas is the replacement for the LPG due to the effectiveness and collaborative efforts of the governments and the other related authorities. It is also important to mention that the limitations of this work was the inability to access the real-time data attributed to non-disclosure agreement, and therefore data published publicly by similar government agencies were utilized, although they could have been inadequate from the real area of study. Thus, these details are employed to address and interpret the direction of the city gas sector. The originality of the study aimed at providing a sustainable model with potential application by regulators or management of energy organizations in order to predict the ideal number of pertaining the development of the city gas, especially after the pandemic of COVID-19. The growth should be predicted to ensure the development is in the right directions. And here we'd like to introduce the research methodology. The research methodology is known as the quasi-qualitative or often referred as to the naturalistic research. This is the philosophical aspect of our work. So, by observing the phenomenon occurs in the society, especially the needs, supply and demands of natural gas, the work, the research, and then conducted by using the quasi-qualitative. Furthermore, the foundation of this study is based on the occurrences observed in relations to the growth of city gas sector in Indonesia. The methodology incorporates a number of sequential flows. So the philosophy of the research construction based on the phenomenon appeared within the realm of energy. Particularly in this work is the green energy called the city gas. Then we move it over to the next part. The research methodology is also incorporate the structural equation modeling as the tools to help us measuring from the statistical point of view to bring up the desired result. These are the graphic analysis as far as the result and discussions. We might want to see that the data analysis brought up bell-shaped curve in terms of histogram, and as far as the heterogeneity environment, the heterogeneity seems to be away from the pattern. In other words, heterogeneity does not occur in our research during the course of our work. And the probability resembles the pattern of linear straight line. This is the results of the linear trend of our research. And as far as the partial least square structured equation model, we found that the path coefficients lead us that the workforces is one of the major moderator in terms of the growth of city gas. Therefore, the direction can be predicted by taking a closer look on the workforces in the industry. As the conclusion, the R square is 23% in values. It means 20% can be explained and others might not be explained clearly or explained by other variables not mentioned in this research. Then the important thing is the revenue of R is 0.25. It means that if the modern variables increase by 1 unit, the revenue should increase by 29.5%. So last but not least, the suggestions that we need a more robust research based on real-time data. Therefore, for the next study, the data should incorporate the real-time data in order to have a more precise estimate on the growth of city gas sector. That's for all. Thank you very much and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.